and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how the Spotify algorithm works. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you really ponder that how Spotify algorithm works, then Spotify's recommendation algorithm, all often called as the recommender system, uses machine learning to create personalized experience like discover weekly and release radar by combining three main techniques, that is collaborative filtering, natural language processing, and raw audio analysis. It analyzes your listening history, skips, saves, and playlists to predict what you will enjoy next. So, by using this behavior analysis, natural language processing, and music analysis, Spotify curates its algorithm. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.